family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost your store-bought product for you to be able to use on your hair. I've been getting a lot of feedback from you guys. I know how difficult it is for you to have access to all of my DIY ingredients for you to be able to create DIY products for your full wash day, starting from your pre-poo treatment to your deep condition treatment. Also, depending on the country you're in, it is difficult for you to have access to all of those ingredients. I also want to let you know that there are ways that you can divide your wash day into half DIYs with natural ingredients, and you can also add certain ingredients into your store-bought product for you to be able to boost that store-bought product that you can use on your hair. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Starting off with a cheap deep condition treatment. You don't have to use this exact deep condition. With this recipe, you can also use regular conditioner, just rinse out conditioner. But I'm using my Cantu treatment deep conditioner. I picked this up from Publix. Please select the amount that you think is enough for your hair length and your hair thickness. I'm now going in with my aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shining hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acids are also contained in aloe vera. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. So I'm just going to keep adding the amount that I feel will give me the right consistency. I love my products to be a little bit runny, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm now going in with my biotin powder. The primary benefit of biotin for hair is that it allows the hair to grow stronger and healthier. Stronger hair is less likely to break off at the ends, promoting and protecting length. You can also get biotin naturally through the food we eat. Our next ingredient is my saw palmetto powder. Saw palmetto powder stops the imbalance of hormones that stands in the way of growth. This herb is similar to stinking nether, so I'm just going in with 1 teaspoon of that. We are now going in with our organic moringa powder. I have a whole video on moringa powder. I will leave that video down in the description box for you to check it out. I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of that. You can also purchase this from my Amazon store. I will leave that link down in the description box for you. To take this deep conditioner to the next level, I'm also going in with my Secret Growth Oil. This oil consists of 21 different ingredients, moisturizing and sealing oils, including herbal powders. It takes me 3 weeks for the infusion of this oil. I'm now also going to go in with my Jamaican black castor oil. I know many of you guys already know the benefit of Jamaican black castor oil for hair growth. I'm also going in with my caffeine growth oil. This is another product of mine. This oil consists of 16 natural ingredients. It also takes me 3 weeks for the infusion of this oil. Our last ingredient is MSM powder. MSM are high in sulfur, which is amazing for our hair. I will be going in with 1 teaspoon of that. Vegetable glycerin is a natural humectant. It pulled out moisture from the air into our hair. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. After that, just give your ingredient a great stir. Again, we need to make this very, very simple. So just use exactly what you have on hand. If you don't have access to all of these ingredients, you can use what you have around your home. Just know that there are natural ingredients that you can add to your store-bought product just to boost it up. I have already pre-poo and shampooed my hair with my natural DIY ingredients. I'm now just going in with our store-bought deep conditioner that we have boosted up and added natural ingredients to it. Make sure that you are getting this on every strand of your hair. And after, I will also part my hair in smaller sections just to make sure that all of my strands are well coated in this deep condition treatment. Okay, family, so I'm done applying my deep conditioner to my entire hair. I'm just gonna go sit under my steamer for 20 minutes and then I will leave the deep conditioner on for an hour. After, I will rinse it out and put my hair in braids using my leave-in treatment, my oil, and my aloe vera butter. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.